Can I have some more? Thank you. I want another spoonful.
You've had enough.
I've had enough. Grandpa wants a scone now.
Can I have some?
Oh, at least you can have a cup of tea.
Thank you.
Grandpa's going to have another egg.
Ooh, Charlotte, Grandpa ate his egg.
Oh,
Do you have
there's
another
another
egg?
Can I have another egg?
Charlotte, can Grandpa have the other egg?
You're too busy with the tea, I think. Grandpa wants the other egg.
Can you bring the other egg to Grandpa? Is that good? Can I try some? Mmm, that was good. Yeah.
Grandpa's going to grab the other egg.
Gotta pull hard. Pull. Pull hard. Pull.
I'm taking me to get that on the video. She's so adorable.
Good job. What's in there? Ooh, what's that? Is it?
You go bring it to Grandpa so we can eat it?
Those are pretzels, if I remember. What else is in there? A book. It's a good place to keep the book.
Maybe it's a
Thank
cookbook.
you. Can you get the pretzels to Grandpa?
Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm
There,
going to
you get the book.
Another monster at the end of this book. Rah! It's a cookie monster. It is, it's Cookie Monster. See, that's Cookie Monster, isn't it? Or is that Elmo? Oh, it's Elmo. It's not Cookie Monster, it's Elmo.
Can you give your grandpa a hug? Go give him a hug.
I don't know, we're going to put our shoes on. We're too busy to give a hug. There we are. Did we get it right?
Almost.
Almost. Very close.
Good job.
Good job, Charlotte. There. Yeah,
Oh, we're
here's
going to put the other one on.
She has never put on her shoes, actually. She's tried to. She's never actually gotten it.
Let's get close. She's focusing. Oh, there you go. Push your foot. Oh, good girl.
Yay! Good job.
Look at her. She's...
Good job.
It just fell off. Mummy needs to do the strap. She does. That is a long story. Oops.
There you go. Here.
Good job.
Yay!
Are you going to dance? You going to dance for us now?
I'm going to take one. Is that right?